What's digging? I've got an iPhone 6S here, sent in by Adam. This one's not drawing a healthy draw from the charger, which means we've got stuck data. So let's see what we can do about it then. With this one cracked open, we can see straight away we've got a dodgy battery. So let's start off by removing it. We'll plug the phone back into the charger. And we're still getting a pathetic draw. Next up, we'll try a new charger dot. And we're still getting a pathetic draw. Which means we've got to pop the logic board outside the housing so we can get to the charger chip right down here. So let's clamp down the logic board, flux it up a bit, and smash it with a bit of heat. So we can desolder that chip and yeet it away. We'll grab a new chip, and with him popped out of there, we're going to replace that chip we just yeeted. Get the new one on by smashing it with a bit of heat. Chuck everything back together. And the moment of truth. Now that's a healthy draw. All in a day's work, mate.